Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you exactly how to use the Claude by Anthropic mobile app on both iPhone and Android. This works great in 2026. Let's dive in. First, open your App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Claude by Anthropic. It's the official app with the clean icon. Tap Get or Install. It's completely free to download. Open the app and sign in with your existing Anthropic account, the same one you use on Claude.ai. No account yet? Just create one with your email or Google in seconds. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this clean chat screen. Super simple. Just type your message in the box at the bottom and hit send. Claude remembers the whole conversation, so you can keep asking follow-up questions. Use the microphone for voice input, perfect when you're walking or driving. Tap the plus icon to attach photos, PDFs, or documents. Claude can describe images or extract text from files. You can also switch models, like Sonnet or Opus, depending on your plan. More powerful models are available on Pro. Free users get decent daily limits. Upgrade to Claude Pro, around $20 per month, for way more messages, access to the best models, and advanced features like projects and higher limits. It's worth it if you use AI every day.